friends, what if I told you forget whey protein? There is one food that not only makes your body stronger, but also protects you from age-related sarcopenia, meaning muscle loss. Yes, a food that easily fits into our everyday American lifestyle. We all know as we age, the body starts to weaken. Especially those who reach their 50s, 60s, or 70s suffer the most from muscle loss. According to the American Senior Society, about 30 to 40% of people over 60 in the United States suffer from sarcopenia. That means daily risk of falling while walking, bone fractures, and even losing the ability to live independently. But the good news is this can be prevented. If we choose the right nutrients in our daily diet, please subscribe to my channel, Seniors Healthy Tips, Problem Explanation, Storytelling Style. Imagine a regular American senior, retired, enjoying morning walks in the park, playing with the grandkids. But after a while, he notices his body no longer has the same strength. Climbing stairs is difficult. His hands and feet feel heavy. The doctor says this is the beginning of sarcopenia, but is this only because of age? No, most of the time it happens because the body isn't getting enough collagen, essential amino acids, and muscle-building nutrients. Many think just whey protein will solve it. But the truth is, whey alone isn't enough. There are more natural foods, far more effective, and much easier for the body to absorb. The real food that beats whey protein. Friends, that special food is bone broth. Yes, you heard that right. What our grandmothers used to call bone soup, today's medical science is calling the #1 muscle protective superfood for seniors. Why is bone broth so effective? Medical explanation. Collagen-rich, bone broth is a natural powerhouse of collagen. Collagen is the protein that strengthens our bones, joints, and muscles. While whey protein works mainly on muscle recovery, bone broth strengthens the entire joint bone muscle system. Amino acid support. It contains glycine, proline, arginine special, amino acids that reduce muscle wasting in senior age. Medical research shows these amino acids play a vital role in rebuilding muscle tissue. Gut health plus. Absorption. Many seniors have weaker digestion. Whey protein often causes bloating or gas. But bone broth is very easy to digest, and it improves nutrient absorption from other foods as well. Anti-inflammatory effect. Bone broth contains glucosamine and chondroitin, which reduce arthritis pain. So it not only supports muscles, but also helps with joint pain. American lifestyle connection. Now the question is bone broth easily available in America? The answer is yes. In most American grocery stores, Whole Foods, Trader Joe's, Walmart, you can find ready-made bone broth. Many people also make it easily at home using a slow cooker or instant pot. Drinking. Bone broth is not just nutritious. It perfectly fits the American winter lifestyle. A warm cup of bone broth on a cold morning keeps your body strong and energized. Another big benefit. You can use it as a base for soups, stews, or daily cooking, which means you don't need extra effort. Your nutrition blends right into your meals. How to add bone broth to daily life? Knowing isn't enough. The real result comes when you use it daily. So let's see how American seniors can easily add bone broth to their everyday meals. Breakfast. Many seniors just take coffee or toast in the morning. If you add a cup of bone broth with coffee, your body gets protein, collagen, and essential minerals. Doctors say starting the day with protein helps boost energy all day long. Lunch. Seniors often want a light lunch. Vegetable soup made with chicken or beef bone broth can be a perfect option. It's stomach-friendly and keeps you full longer, preventing unnecessary snacking. Dinner. Bone broth can be used as a base for cooking rice or quinoa. This not only enhances flavor, but also increases the protein density of the meal. For those with joint pain, taking bone broth before dinner helps improve sleep at night. Medical advice. How much should you take? Doctor's recommendations. 1 to 2 cups of bone broth daily is enough. More than that isn't harmful. But watch the sodium content. Seniors with kidney issues or high blood pressure should choose low-sodium bone broth. Real-life example, a 68-year-old woman from Florida, Mrs. Susan, was struggling with arthritis and muscle weakness after retirement. She started drinking a cup of bone broth every morning. After just 3 months, she reported, walking became less painful, her muscle strength improved. And most importantly, climbing stairs became easier. Thousands of seniors like her have replaced whey protein with bone broth. The result, their daily lives became healthier, more independent, and enjoyable. Homemade bone broth recipe, easy and American-friendly. Friends, making bone broth isn't hard at all. It's very much like slow-cooked soup. Here's a simple recipe. Ingredients: 2 to 3 pounds chicken or beef bones, grass-fed or organic preferred. 2 carrots, chopped. 2 celery sticks, 1 large onion, roughly chopped. 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 2 TBSP apple cider. Vinegar helps extract minerals from bones. 10 to 12 cups of wattenhod, rinse bones well. Optionally, roast for 20 minutes in the oven for extra flavor. Put all ingredients in a slow cooker or instant pot. Simmer on low heat for 12 to 24 hours. Strain, cool, and refrigerate. Keeps up to 5 days in the fridge, 3 months in the freezer. Homemade versus store-bought. Now the big question, which is better, homemade or store-bought? Homemade, 100% natural, no preservatives, cheaper. You know exactly what's inside. Store-bought saves time, ready to use, many brands. Kettle and Fire, Pacific Foods, Swanson offer organic and low-sodium options. Doctors recommend if you have time, homemade is always best. If not, choose a trusted organic brand. Store-bought options saves time, ready to use. Many brands such as Kettle and Fire, Pacific Foods, Swanson now offer organic and low-sodium versions. But here's the medical advice. If you have time, homemade bone broth is always the best. If not, choose a trusted organic brand. Special doctors tips. Doctors strongly recommend choose low-sodium versions. Many store-bought broths contain high salt levels. Create variety. Alternate between chicken, beef, or turkey bones for a more balanced nutrient profile. Use in combination. Don't just drink bone broth. Cook rice, quinoa, or soups with it to get more benefits. Be consistent. Results come only when bone broth becomes part of your daily habit. Foods that boost muscle when combined with bone broth. Friends, bone broth alone is powerful, but pairing it with the right foods multiplies its impact. For seniors, these combinations are medically proven to fight sarcopenia. Eggs. The collagen in bone broth plus the complete protein in eggs makes muscle recovery twice as effective. Salmon or fatty fish. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation. Bone broth plus salmon equals the perfect anti-sarcopenia combo. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, provide calcium and vitamin K to strengthen bones. Beans and lentils. Plant-based protein and fiber give sustainable energy and muscle support. Greek yogurt. Probiotics improve gut health, making bone broth nutrients absorb better. Doctor-recommended meal plan for American seniors. Sample daily plan. Breakfast: 1 cup of bone broth, 2 boiled eggs, whole grain toast, 1 cup of black coffee or green tea. Lunch: vegetable soup with bone broth base. Grilled salmon, 4 ounces, 1 cup brown. Rice mix green salad with olive oil. Dinner: quinoa cooked in bone broth, steamed vegetables. Broccoli, carrots, 1 cup Greek yogurt. Snacks: a handful of almonds, 1 seasonal fruit, apple, berries, etc. Doctors confirm this balanced plan not only protects muscles, but also supports your heart, brain, and bones. Strong motivational ending. Friends, by now you understand bone broth is that ancient yet scientific food that beats whey protein. It's safer, more natural, and medically proven for seniors. No matter how old you are, sarcopenia is not your destiny. You can prevent it starting today with just 1 warm cup of bone broth. Aging doesn't mean weakness. With the right nutrition, you can live strong, independent, and happy. Emotional closing and call to action. Imagine getting your strength back. Playing with your grandkids, walking in the park with confidence, climbing stairs without fear, and most importantly, keeping your independence. That's what true healthy aging is all about. If today's information inspired you, like this video, share it with your friends and family, and most importantly, subscribe to Seniors Healthy Tips for more science-backed advice. Because every day, we bring you practical, doctor-recommended ways to stay stronger, healthier, and happier. Stay healthy, stay independent, and remember, your health is your real wealth. Thank you for watching.